Advanced ChatGPT Prompting March 2026 Update. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about advanced ChatGPT prompting techniques updated for March 2026. Large language models are evolving quickly and the way you prompt them today is very different from how people prompted AI even a year ago. With the newest improvements in reasoning and tool usage, platforms like ChatGPT, powered by models such as GPT-5, respond much better to structured prompts, clear goals, and layered instructions. So if you want better answers, deeper reasoning, and more reliable results, then learning modern prompting techniques is essential. In this tutorial, we're going to cover those things, from basic setup for advanced prompting to a deep dive into the modern prompt structures and pro tips that professionals use to get the best outputs that you can apply even as a beginner. And by the end of this video, you will understand how to communicate with AI models much more effectively. And before we dive into advanced techniques, let's talk about the basic setup. To follow this tutorial, simply open ChatGPT in your browser or desktop. When working with modern AI models like GPT-5, it is important to understand that the AI performs best when it receives clear context and structured instructions. You're simply going to open up ChatGPT, log in to your account, and like usual, once you're in the text box interface, you can simply start typing in. But we need to understand that AI performs best when it receives clear context and structured instructions. If we simply ask it, instead of writing short prompts like explain marketing, it works pretty much fine, but you should give the AI more directions such as explain digital marketing strategies for beginners and include practical examples. If we just simply type in explain marketing, it does give us the information and the output, but we can also refine and be more descriptive about it. Now we're simply going to ask it to explain digital marketing strategies for beginners and include the practical examples. The more context you provide, the better the AI can understand your request and the better the output will be. This idea forms the foundation of advanced prompting. As you can see, the answer is much different from the previous prompt that we just entered to explain marketing, but this is giving it a better direction and it is specific, providing us with the exact information that we were looking for. Now, one of the biggest changes in prompting in 2026 is the use of structured prompts. Instead of writing one sentence, professionals often use a three-part prompt structure. First is the context, second, they talk about the task, and then the output format. Let's break that down. Context tells the AI what situation or role it should consider. For example, you are an expert business consultant, and next comes the task. We can simply just want to analyze the marketing strategy of a small online store. And then finally comes the specific output format, which can simply be the answer which is provided to us in bullet points with clear recommendations. When you combine these elements, the prompt becomes much more effective, and instead of asking a vague question, you're guiding the AI to produce precise and structured answers. Now, another powerful technique is role prompting. This means that asking AI to respond from a specific perspective. You can simply ask AI that you are a cybersecurity expert explaining online safety to beginners. And this helps the AI focus on a particular domain and produce more relevant answers. And so you actually understand the kind of perspective that you want. Many professionals use role prompting when working with complex topics such as programming or business strategies, marketing analysis, and especially education. By defining a role, you help the AI align its response with your expectations. Another major update in modern prompting is multi-step prompting. Instead of asking the AI to solve everything at once, you guide it through steps. For example, step 1 could be to ask the AI to analyze a problem. And then step 2 could be to ask it to propose solutions. And then step 3 is to ask it to refine the best solution. This approach works especially well with advanced models like GPT-5 because they can reason through complex tasks. Breaking problems into steps often leads to more accurate and thoughtful answers. Now, let's look at real world examples to see how this works. Imagine you want help writing a YouTube video script, a basic prompt like write a script about AI tools. This is too basic, and the result will probably be very generic. Now, we type in a very specific prompt. You are a YouTube content strategist and write an 8-minute educational script about AI productivity tools for beginners. Use clear sections in a friendly teaching tone. Now, this prompt includes the context, the task, and the output style. The result will usually be far more detailed and structured. This simple change can dramatically improve the quality of AI generated content. Another advanced technique used in 2026 is prompt chaining. Prompt chaining means using multiple prompts in sequence to refine the results. For example, the first prompt could be to generate ideas, and then we move on to expanding the best ideas and then polishing the final output. Instead of expecting perfect results in one prompt, you gradually improve the output through multiple steps. And then one powerful feature of modern prompting is how the AI formats its answers. You can ask the AI to generate step-by-step guides, tables, summaries, technical explanations, and scripts. For example, you can either go with explain the process in 5 simple steps or create a comparison table. By specifying the output format, you make the results much easier to read and use. Now, this is a great feature for educational learners and educators. Now, before we finish, here are some pro tips that can make your prompts even more effective. First is to always be specific about what you want. Instead of asking broad questions, include context and the goals. Second is experiment with prompt variations. Small changes in wording can produce very different results. Third is use follow-up prompts to refine answers instead of trying to get everything perfect in one request. And finally, remember that modern modules like ChatGPT 5 perform best when prompts are structured and detailed. Now, advanced prompting has become an essential skill because AI tools are now integrated into many workflows and almost everywhere. From writing and research to coding and business analytics, people are using platforms like ChatGPT as daily productivity assistants. Understanding how to prompt effectively allows users to unlock the full potential of these systems. In many ways, prompting has become a new kind of digital literacy. So that's the March 2026 update to advanced ChatGPT prompting technique. By applying these techniques, you can generate more accurate, useful, and professional outputs from AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials and productivity guides. And let me know in the comments which AI tool or techniques you would like to learn about next, or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.